So we're on a job in Hampshire today, just doing some lead works to this dormer. Originally this dormer was completely tile hung, but it was leaking quite badly, so the client has opted to have it changed for lead. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove all of this existing apron, which wasn't done the best, to be honest with you. When we take this piece here, that's a 2.50 m section in code 3 lead with not much upstand and not much of a corner either. It's all split as well. So I'm going to get all that removed, put a new lead apron through there. I've got some window trays to go in as well. Get those window trays in. Then once all of that is done, all of this is going to be counterbattened with ply on top, and then the sections in between the windows are going to be clad in lead. I'm going to have lead cladding all the way through the top there as well. Completely clad lead cheeks. So I think it's going to look really smart once it's done. I'm really looking forward to getting stuck into this, and it's a lovely sunny day. So let's get this existing apron changed and go from there. Okay, I've just removed this existing lead apron to find there is nothing supporting the lead. It's just all completely open. So I'm going to get all of that overboarded so the lead's all nicely supported. Once that's done, start fitting the apron through there. So let's get that knocked up. Okay, I'm doing 1.3s on this. It's just the way it's worked out. I've just taken the measurement, full width of the dormer, and I've just divided it all equally. And 1.3 works really well for that. So I'm going to have equal sections. This is 390 wired lead. Just need to bend up 160 mm upstand, and I will have the rest coming down the roof. Okay, just got a few more of these to knock up, then we can start getting that in. That's all of the apron and cover flashing fitted now. So now that's done, I'm just coming through, dressing this apron into the profile of the tile. Just got this last section to do here, so let's get that done. Okay, I'm just going to heat this up just to soften the lead, just makes it a bit easier and we're less likely to break a tile as well. Famous last words. Okay, now that's all dressed in, just need to go through that, trim that up, then I can get my clips trimmed, and then I can look at these window trays. That's all the front apron all trimmed up now. I've also now trimmed the clips to 50mm, and I've rounded the corners off as well to make that look nice. So now that's all done, what I'm doing now is I'm just starting to make up these window trays. Just made the first one up there, so that's ready for welding. But I think what I'm going to do is make them all up in one go and get them welded together. So let's get the next one knocked up. Okay, we've got 150mm for the wing. Just going to lightly square that. Then we need 1.70 m. And 150mm for the other wing. So that can come off. I've got 150mm upstand. And we need 80. And 20mm to turn up behind the window frame. Okay, there's a few more of these to knock up. So I'm going to get all these knocked up, get them all ready for welding. I'll weld them all in together, then I can get them in. Okay, that's all the window trays fitted now. So now that's done, it's ready for the next stage. And that is going to be felt, counter batten and ply on these vertical sections. That will achieve some nice ventilation, so air will be able to get up from underneath all the way up. It's going to be vented out the top as well. But I think I'm going to wrap this video up here and save that for another video. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can check me out on Instagram at slbleadworks. For inquiries you can email slbleadworks@gmail.com. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hopefully catch you in the next. Cheers.